sound any different than any other Subaru engine at cold fast idle. Coolant is up to 87, 89. Getting there. Bit of a like a swishing noise coming from the transmission. I mean, yeah, you can hear the coolant flowing around there, but I'll put the clutch in. I don't hear the swishy noise. Coolant's up to 114. Revs are down to 11. Coolant just ticked up to 120. Needle's moving here. There's none of that knocking, it just sounds like engine. Alrighty. Put the defrosters on. It's a little stiff going for reverse. Come on. It's always like that whenever it's cold. I have to like fight the fucking thing. There it is. And of course I stalled it because I'm trying to do 3 things at once. Now, the transmission's still cold at this point. I don't know what the hell that noise is. That's new. And it doesn't sound good at all. Obvious. Oh God. I think I might be walking home. Transmission's fucked. There ain't no doubt about that. I guess all I can do is just baby the damn thing. I don't know. I don't know if it's the clutch. Let me go with this again. Or if it's that input bearing like folks are talking about. I got flat spots on my tires because that's just how they are. But 9 out of 10 mornings when I leave work, this is how I do it. I let the car sit there, I let it get warm. I don't go crazy with it. I won't go past quarter throttle till that needle is above the line, into that zone where it is now. But that noise, that is not a good noise. That's like the noise a dying transmission makes, I think. I know it's probably not going to show up very good in the video just because I don't have a microphone located in the right place. I'm just shooting this from my BlackBerry. But yeah, no, that transmission does not sound good at all. I'm like afraid to use boost at this point. I mean, since I've had this car, I've put 8,421 miles on it. And I think I may have missed a gear 3 times. 2 of those times I might have grounded a little bit, but it wasn't anything excessive. It was like a whoops kind of deal. It only first made that noise whenever I was backing up the driveway last night. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking my transmission's clunk just because, I mean, that noise was like a cyclic, like a grinding, like a roller bearing something, just like not happy. There's that noise again. Just not happy at all. And that noise is not, God, that's terrible. It's not dependent on engine speed. So, looks like I'm going to be hopefully finding a used 5MT, I guess. I don't know. I don't want to have to go out of state. I don't want to have to order anything. This is like my only car. My wife has a car, but she's all over the place all the time. I'm just going to have to baby it and pray. Big fun there.